Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen, as we speak football with Lenora. Um, I just want to highlight key things: football development and football professionalism. What these boys should take from that is, I'll see PSL there, abadlali namagesi. Look, I liked a few things. I think by far, Kimbogazi is consistent, so I'll say that. With the boy, when there was the last minute ball, lay square. That was a pinball. That was a ping ball. Like it was going to ping to that person he beats. If the goalkeeper misses the ball, it's in. If the goalkeeper saves the ball, we are safe. But what Mbogazi did there was to measure and timing. Like keep it simple. Like against Mexico was too much. Yeah, lapana lapo. He saved us, but this game he was simple. It was simple. He was showing class. I think the other game into him Shayin, they were too congested. And Umbogazi likes to. He's a wide center back, and then Ungangene inside the middle field. Yabo, he's that type of center back, and he plays very well when it comes to those parts because he can recover. Unlike Umdao, Mudao Autaga, keep it simple, man. You know you can defend. You know, if it is Sakamdao, if it that's what I'm expecting. As soon as he gets the ball, like there were times Feturinas Ampegil Utamfit, like Faga. I don't know lento le yakhe le ukuthi asi-PSL le awudlali nabo Chakuma Chamandi Vandela. Udlala lento le. You're playing against people that are professionals, seasoned professionals. They've played in the highest leagues in the world. They know to play without the ball. Czechia played without the ball, and they played good without the ball. La udlala no lento le, udlala nomuntu ukuthi he's played for Abu West Ham. He's played for Abu what's these teams? Some English teams played France. They've played these people are people that have played in the highest league. Most of them Czech players they play in the Bundesliga. So awudlali no lento le ne-player signing a free agent. I was there's nothing wrong with my team, by the way. I'm not talking about my team. But I'm just saying, awudlali nabantu nje ukuthi yazi bangadlali. These people are professionals. You understand? So I think it would be safe or it would make sense to just play your ball. Fagi ball, oh man. Fagi ball. If the ball has to go up, take it up. You never know the mistake that these guys might do. That's what South Korea did. Fagi ball. The center back will always make the mistake because if they are facing their lentole, they are facing their goal. It's a problem. But if they're not facing their goal, it's not a problem. But they can't defend either way. A center back can only defend outside the 80 area because of that's where Anga was. But now it's Magalapa, they're there to block. That's why you find a lot of goals in a deflection. So when you're playing against people by the structure, you need to play to your ability, which is pace and talent. Now I come to Ulentole, our police. That boy is a star, my faith. And we don't like our police, I think he's 22 or 23. He's still young. That boy is a star. I will take them on as long as I take the ball. I drag the ball in Isapambi. I drag the ball in Isapambi. Because our police made Ulentole look like a star, Mudiba. What I liked about Mudiba, he kept it simple. As soon as our police Ayapambili, he will come and get ngale square corner. At least the more you do those things, the more they get tired, the more fatigue gets in, the more they start making mistakes. But if you don't do that, then often like le batla ho bona mang a le shebelle le shebile ball, le dlala bolo, le tshwere percentage, le tshwere. That's what they were doing. They were looking at you guys playing percentage football. It's non-effective. These people are playing Uma Bundesliga where if the ball, if it was pilile labantu laba 3 or 4 times, thanks to Mbogazi, thanks to Ocom, a lot of people did not see. But Pile in the middle field, but we going to play last touch because of the speed that they wanted to play in, or the pace. Yeah, but so Ocom very good, calm, decisive. If ibholomela lilahlele phezulu uzolahlela phezulu. If he has to pass, he will pass. That's what I like about him. But Apollos Mafito, let's give that boy. I can't blame Morenas because into engikhuluma ngazo ukuthi it was not effective. It was he tried. Bambili ibhola phambili, tried to ufuna omunye umuntu. Makgopa, can he play in the next game too? Because he understands Aborele better. He knows when to go out, when to come in. Can he? I'm not saying Reyners is doing a bad job, but can we try the next person? Mahoba. Yabo. I think Mahopa and Lyle Foster would play good. Play with 2-2 on the side. The Bukageko, so just play the middle field. I want to to Mbata and Adams. We Simnande move. So let's attack. Because trust me, the Koreans are going to attack. They're going to be reluctant to defend, but they're going to attack. They won't defend. They won't play this beautiful football with the champion score. They will or gonna or want to score more, but they will be reluctant to defend. So if Bafana is looking to defend, they are defending against the wrong team. If they think those guys are going to defend, the wrong mentality. We need to kill. We need to win. We need everything that is good. We need to win. We need to win.